Where you brought the boat to here, there was no water all the way to here. But 2020, the water levels started rising up. So that is what has happened. So
In 5 years?
Yeah.
In 5 years, this lake has formed?
Yeah, absolutely. No. The lake is very old. This is part of the Rift Valley. And Rift Valley is a geological fault that is believed to have occurred probably 5 million years ago. And all the lakes occurred because of volcanicity. That is why. But they say the lakes of Rift Valley had water less time than before they had. Because they stayed without water for 2 million and then 2 million years. Then they got water 1 million years ago. So that is what has happened. Okay.
In 2020, in this level water was there. That means you're talking.
Well, actually, the level rose up to about 5 meters high. That's why it spilled over and covered up a lot of our land. They make a harem. So this is a harem of impala with one male on the watch. And this is a small group of bachelors from the waterfront. And that is the crew, antelope, wildebeest.
Let's don't disturb them. Must be very hungry.
Yeah, and thirsty. They did. There is a shrub called euphorbia. That's a cactus.
Euphorbia.
Euphorbia
Okay.
candelabrum. That's
This
one of them.
Giraffe will eat this one.
Nettles, stinging nettles, so we don't touch it. So the giraffe have very sufficient food. Then the yellow there is a yellow candle bush, candle bush.
This is we have also in Kerala.
Oh, do you have in Kerala?
Yeah.
Amazing.
How giraffe is eating this one? Very spikes.
See,
Very
the-
spiky.
the-
And
the-
you know,
the
giraffe
tongue
tongue
is
is very rough
adopted.
and thick,
Oh,
so they
really?
can very skillfully just get the green foliage and then they go without hurting their tongue.
This one, right? Thorn cactus.
Yeah, thorn cactus. Thorn cactus.
Did you see? Yeah? You see well?